Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World and it's giveaway time, this one is for the MD125, and in the door we gotta thank MD for the donation. Thank you for being so generous. Thank you for what you do for my subscribers and my followers and the channel, and continue to raise the bar, MD, because I'm telling you, you're definitely doing your thing. But again, thank you for the donation. All right, you all, I want to apologize to you all because I should have been shot this video and I've been feeling up under the weather. I didn't have any camera presence, so I didn't want to come behind the camera looking like I was looking, and I'm starting to feel a little bit better. I feel like I'm getting better, and then I feel like I'm getting sick, and then I'm kind of feeling in between. But I told myself I got to do the video today. I'm behind on videos, so if you get a truckload of videos in your inbox, just put it in your playlist and check it out for later. All right, now also we got a live stream coming up on Sunday at 2 p.m. pretty much the same time. Seems like a neutral time for everybody for right now anyway. So show up, hang out, we got something to discuss. I need your input, so come and chit chat, okay? And with that, we're just gonna put the names across the screen because there's so many people that we got watch faces to give away to. The US, we got like 13, 14 people. We got some watch face codes for the US, Canada, United Arab, also India, we got Argentina, and we got Romania, right? And here's the problem with that. With all those countries, we only got 1 or 2 people to give watch faces to within those countries. The US, we got them sold up. We got everybody from the US. We got a whole list of people to give watch faces away to, but the different countries, we don't. So if you know anybody up the block, down the block, around the corner, and they want a free watch face, tell them to hit Huck on Huck's World. Okay, now, if I don't have your email, when you comment in the comment section down below, let me know what country you're from so I can put you on the list, so you can also have an opportunity to win a free watch face code. That means the US, if there's anybody else from the US, the UK, Canada, Israel, Japan, Hong Kong, no matter where you're from, let me know where you're from so I can put you on the list, so therefore when the giveaway time comes, because on this channel, everybody is a winner. They can attest to that one, right? We always try to make sure everybody gets an opportunity to win a free watch face. I think you all deserve it. I love what you do for the channel, and I'm very grateful for it. All right, now the email should have been going across at some point too as well. That's my email. Use it. You can contact me. If you need to chit chat that way, you can chit chat with me that way as well. And with that, people, that's going to be it. Congratulations to everybody on the win. Listen, you guys deserve it. The channel deserves it. And I love you all. All right, you all. Listen, do me a favor. Party like it's 1999. Enjoy family and friends. Eat well. But most of all, remember, people, be safe. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.